If you're looking to tackle a painting project with speed, efficiency, and precision, an airless paint sprayer is a game changer. Designed to deliver a smooth, even coat on everything from walls and fences to cabinets and furniture, these powerful tools eliminate brush strokes and cut project time in half. But not all sprayers are created equal. Some excel in power, others in portability or control. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best airless paint sprayer and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. Graco Magnum Pro X19 Paint Sprayer. A carded paint sprayer like this Graco style is a helpful tool for major paint jobs, both indoors and outdoors. Even after setting up and prepping the machine, we think this sprayer will save you a lot of time and energy. During testing, the sprayer was efficient and easy to use. It can cover a large area very quickly, so we think it's ideal for large projects like staining a deck or painting your house. We also love that we didn't have to thin the paint before using the sprayer. The set includes everything you need to begin spraying paint, including the piston pump, adjustable pressure controls, and 50 feet of hose. If you need a longer hose, the sprayer can accommodate up to 150 feet of additional hose, so it's ideal for painting multi-story homes or an oversized room. Although the sprayer weighs 42 pounds, the 2 wheels on the base made it very easy to maneuver and move around. We were even able to wheel it downstairs to get to the room we were painting. We appreciate that the sprayer hooks right up to a paint bucket, so we didn't have to pour paint. It works with 1 and 5 gallon buckets, and you can even leave the paint in the bucket for up to 2 days. During testing, we left the machine set up with the paint bucket so we could let our paint job dry before going in with a second coat. When we used this sprayer for smaller projects, we had to adjust the settings to avoid overspray. However, the pressure was easy to adjust, and we thought it was pretty intuitive once we got used to it. With limited parts, the sprayer is very easy to clean. The adapter hooks right up to an outdoor garden hose, so it can be quickly flushed of all paint. Number 4. Titan ControlMax High-Efficiency Airless Paint Sprayer. The Titan Tool Paint Sprayer stands out as a robust and efficient solution for tackling large-scale painting projects with ease. Designed for simplicity, this model has minimal parts, making assembly and cleanup refreshingly straightforward. One of its most unique features is its innovative single-nozzle system. Instead of swapping out attachments for different spray patterns, users simply rotate the nozzle to switch between spray types. This not only streamlines operation, but also eliminates the hassle of managing multiple small pieces, making it ideal for those who value efficiency and convenience. Another major advantage of the Titan tool is its direct suction design. The hose can be inserted straight into a bucket of paint, removing the need for frequent refills and making it perfect for larger jobs. The spray handle itself is ergonomically designed, offering a comfortable grip during extended use. During testing, the handle's design and trigger action stood out for ease of use and control, even during long painting sessions. Titan also enhances the user experience with a dedicated smartphone app. The app offers tailored recommendations based on the specific type of paint you're using and provides quick access to troubleshooting and customer support, making it a handy companion for both novice and experienced users. However, there are a couple of trade-offs. At nearly 20 pounds, it's the heaviest model in its category. Thankfully, a sturdy carrying handle helps with portability, allowing you to move it from room to room or project site to project site without much trouble. Noise-wise, this sprayer is on the louder end, comparable to a push lawnmower, so ear protection is recommended for prolonged use. Overall, the Titan tool is a powerful, smartly designed sprayer built for efficiency, comfort, and serious results in larger painting jobs. Number 3. Graco Ultra Cordless Airless Handheld Paint Sprayer. The Graco Ultra Cordless Paint Sprayer stands out as the best option for those seeking mobility, ease of use, and a professional quality finish in a compact tool. During our testing, the sprayer consistently produced smooth, even coverage across a variety of surfaces. From walls and doors to furniture and fences, the results were impressive. What really stood out was the consistent performance. Even after multiple uses on different projects, there was no drop in spray quality or output. This sprayer features adjustable speed and pressure settings, giving you control over how much paint is applied, which is especially useful for tackling detailed or larger scale jobs. The Ultra Cordless also includes multiple paint reservoirs, making it simple to swap between different paint colors without a mess. We appreciated this thoughtful addition as it sped up the workflow and reduced downtime between coats. Another convenience is the smart design for storage. The funnel includes a built-in hook that attaches neatly to a paint bucket, keeping your workspace tidy and minimizing spills or misplaced parts. However, the sprayer comes with just one spray pattern nozzle by default. While this may be sufficient for many general-purpose tasks, Graco offers additional spray tips that can be purchased separately for more specialized projects. One minor drawback is the cleanup process. While the sprayer performs efficiently during use, cleaning it afterward is a bit more involved than we expected. In some cases, it took longer to clean the unit than to complete the actual paint job. Still, for the finish quality and cordless convenience it provides, this is a small trade-off. Overall, the Graco Ultra Cordless Paint Sprayer delivers professional results with cordless freedom, a top-tier tool ideal for serious DIYers and pros alike. Number 2, HomeRight Quick Finish HVLP Paint Sprayer. With its simple design, lightweight feel, and easy-to-use operation, the HomeRight Quick Finish is a great value for beginners looking to paint furniture, decor items, or crafts. The sprayer includes clear, concise instructions, and setup involves simply pouring paint into the paint holder. Overall, the sprayer did an excellent job covering smooth surfaces in a short amount of time. Perfect for quick household projects like painting a freestanding chair, bar stools, or picture frames. For best results, we recommend doing an initial spray away from your project to avoid splatter. The sprayer has 3 spray patterns: horizontal, vertical, and round. All patterns worked well during testing, and we found that this was an adequate number of options for the types of small projects the sprayer is intended for. It was also easy to hold and maintain a spray for extended periods. While cleaning up is often the biggest pain point when it comes to paint projects, we found cleaning this unit to be a seamless process. We were able to get a thorough cleanse in the same time it would take to clean a paintbrush or roller. Adjusting the spray angle was seamless and required a quick twist of the nozzle. However, we noted that the knob to adjust the pressure of the spray was a bit difficult to turn. Number 1, Graco Magnum Project Painter Plus Paint Sprayer. The Graco Paint Sprayer is an easy-to-use, highly efficient tool that's ideal for medium to large-scale painting projects. During our testing, it earned top marks for performance and user-friendliness. It delivered an impressively even coat of paint, eliminating the need for multiple layers and ensuring a smooth, professional finish. One of the standout features was its consistent spray output, which remained steady even when we changed angles or varied the pressure, a key benefit for tackling walls, ceilings, and other uneven surfaces. The trigger mechanism allowed for great control. Users can choose between manually pressing the trigger or locking it for continuous spraying. This not only improved comfort during extended use, but also ensured precise application. The instructions provided were straightforward and easy to follow, making setup and operation simple, even for first-time users. Instead of dealing with the mess of manually filling a paint canister, this Graco model uses a hose that draws paint directly from the bucket, significantly reducing prep time and cleanup hassle. The compact low-profile design, built-in carrying handle, and onboard hose storage also make this sprayer easy to transport between rooms or work sites. In terms of noise, the sprayer is relatively quiet. It only produced noticeable sound while priming the hose, allowing us to work without ear protection and even hold conversations while spraying, an underrated convenience for indoor projects. The only real limitation we found was that the sprayer offers just one spray pattern. However, thanks to its adjustable pressure control and flexible application angles, we were able to adapt our technique by rotating the sprayer to achieve different results. Overall, this Graco paint sprayer is a versatile and dependable tool, perfect for anyone looking to complete larger painting tasks with minimal hassle and excellent results.
If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.